All right, hey there, fashion friends. Welcome back or welcome for the first time. But either way, thank you for tuning in to today's episode. On today's episode, we are doing a review video.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
All right, so I love sunglasses. I just think they're fantastic for the purpose that obviously they're practical because they keep the sun out of your eyes and they just look cool. There is a reason why sunglasses are associated with cool, the cool dude. Sunglasses are one of those things that, why reinvent the wheel, right? Until Futuremood. So I actually came across them on Instagram. It basically was saying that these sunglasses will change your mood, that they are mood altering sunglasses, that they'll actually put you in a better mood. So I was very intrigued. Cut to a review video. This isn't a sponsored video, but Futuremood did gift me these sunglasses so that I could do this review for you guys. So thank you, Futuremood. Okay, so Futuremood. Let's just read their little pamphlet. Futuremood designed the auras to harness the power of a new discovery from the world-renowned scientists at Zeiss. Is it Zeiss or Zeiss? Zeiss? I think it's Zeiss. Yeah. A breakthrough lens formulation that alters your state of being, and they open a new portal into the mind. Heavy. So it also goes on to say that light and color are the fastest and most natural ways to alter your state of mind. Your first encounter with the effect of Futuremood auras is unique to you. It's intense for some, subtle for others. Over time, it balances. Okay, so with today's review, we aren't going to be doing my normal fit, fabric, and function because it doesn't really work with the sunglasses. So I'm going to be structuring the review just a little bit differently. We're going to be looking at the initial reaction, the design, the style, and to conclude the video, stay tuned to the end to see if these actually work, if they actually do what they say they're here to do, which is alter your mood. So we're going to be looking at two different sunglasses from Futuremood, the Arizone and the Aeroflow. Okay, so starting off with the initial reaction, and my initial reaction is for both. Whole unboxing was just unwrapping a very special gift. I am a sucker for presentation, so when people really put the detail and the effort into presentation, yeah, you got me. You've got me hooked. So definitely hit the mark for that. Just the initial reaction to the actual sunglasses, when I pulled them out of their boxes, just holding them, just touching them, I could instantly feel the quality in the design, in the material, as well as the tightness in the hinges. Okay, so let's talk about design. First sunglass we're gonna look at for design is the Arizone. It comes with this Lotus Star card, so I'm gonna read from this because they have their full-on design description for the sunglasses on the back. So this aura affects focus and clarity. The lens type is a holochrome. The lens coating resists scratches and glare and H2O. The frame material is Japanese acetate, so like I said, just good quality. And the frame color is actually a crystalline, which is probably what grabbed my attention first when I saw these on Instagram, was that crystalline frame. Obsessed. The hinges are gold-plated Italian 5-barrel. The core is a gold-plated Italian origin, and that's what I think I love, is that you can see those materials through the crystalline acetate. And the collaborators for this are Carl Zeiss. These have a prismatic bevel, an anti-basic notching, laser-etched ear grips, Futuremood thick tips. That's one of the things that I absolutely love about the design of these, is the really thick tips. And it says the impact for these is one pair of sneakers donated. You know, I love dual purpose purchases where when you purchase something, something is donated to somebody in need. So that's a huge plus. But the warning for these does say that these are not approved for driving, which is a bit of a bummer, I will say. I love the design of these sunglasses. Somewhat classic silhouette, but then just these little bits of edgy details added in there to basically elevate the silhouette. Such just high luxury quality appeal, but with such a good price of $150. Okay, so let's look at the design of the Aura Flow. So the Aura effect for these sunglasses are refresh and uplift. Okay, so lens type is of course halochrome, just like the other one. The frame material is a hand polished acetate. The frame color is Skywave. I like that. Okay, so the details about the design for these specific sunglasses, it has the ascending gradient temples, laser etched ear grips as well, with the Futuremood thick tips as well. Again, the take on a classic silhouette, and then I just like how they just added little bits of edgy detail to basically elevate that design. Okay, you guys, let's talk about style, my favorite part. Speaking to the Aura Zone first, I love the style of these sunglasses. These were what pulled me in the first place, what pulled my attention in to this brand, were these specific sunglasses. The thing I love about these is you could easily wear these with everything in your wardrobe, and at the same time, they're going to elevate everything in your wardrobe. So if you just have like a basic outfit on and then you throw these sunglasses on, whew, you're gonna edge that outfit up real nice. So the style for the Aura Flow, I've been wanting like a square pair of frames. The only thing I will say is that these were just a tiny bit big, I felt like, for my face. Like they were just a little too big. And I kind of wish that these had the clear frames like the Aura Zone, but I also like the monochrome look of them as well. So I get it. I get why they have the monochrome, because I also really like the extreme style of the monochrome. It's just a really good statement. And again, I think they will definitely add that elevation, that edge to very basic look, but I'm not sure if these will go with as much as the Aura Zone, just because they are, you know, more of like a bold color. All right, and lastly, let's talk about, do they actually work? Do they do what they say they're supposed to do? And that is improving your mood in certain types of ways. Okay, so first one we're gonna talk about is the Aura Zone. So first off, when I actually put these sunglasses on for the first time, it was such a weird feeling. It was almost like as soon as I put them on, my eyes, like my actual eyeballs, just kind of relaxed, if that makes sense. Like, I don't even know, like, you know how you have tension in like your face or your shoulders or something, and then when you're like meditating or doing something and then it relaxes and you relax that tension. It was like, as soon as I put these sunglasses on, the tension in my eyeballs was relaxed. I don't even know if that's a thing, but that's kind of the best way to describe how they felt when I first put them on. I would take them off and it was almost like, like I could almost feel this like downer of like, oh, everything's not this beautiful, bright and golden color. And then I would want to put them back on, so I put them back on. But speaking to whether or not they actually improved my focus and clarity, I'm going to defer to their suggestion of doing the first dose guide to basically have a very symbiotic moment with these sunglasses to heighten the effects. Okay, so the first step is to set the ambiance by playing the Aura Zone playlist. I will say it was quite difficult to find this playlist on Spotify. It says to search under Futuremood Aura. I actually did have to search Aura Zone. The second step is to light one of the provided incense matches that come with the sunglasses. And then this third step is to place the Lotus Star car face up in front of you on a flat surface. Fourth step is to center your mind, close your eyes, and slowly take 5 deep breaths, focusing on each inhale and exhale. Step 5 is to engage the Aura Zone sunglasses. Let the sensory bath of energy and power wash over you. They work day and night, outside and inside. So after doing those 5 steps, did I feel more focused and have more clarity? I can't really say specifically that I did, not instantly anyways. I will say then when I wore these while editing videos on my computer, I did feel some focus. Like I did feel more focused. It just, I don't know what it was. It was like this special filter over what I was seeing and just made almost everything more high definition and just gave this just beautiful golden filter over everything. Okay, so let's talk about whether or not the Era Flow worked for me. The Era Flow is meant to refresh and uplift. So after doing the 5 first dose guide, the truthful answer to that is, yeah, I'm not sure specifically. What I can say is after doing that first dose guide, I definitely felt very calm and relaxed. And I did feel like the sunglasses helped maintain feeling that sort of calmness that I felt, you know, after doing these 5 steps. So that was definitely a really nice effect. As for, did I feel the same sort of relief in the eyeballs like I did with the Arizone? Probably not. For some reason, these definitely didn't have the same effect for me as the Arizone yellow lenses had on me. But what I will say for both sunglasses is that I don't necessarily feel, like, I don't know if they necessarily made me feel these specific feelings. But I will say, I do think there is an effect on my mood for both of them. Whether or not, again, that's a placebo effect or a real effect, yeah, they're definitely enjoyable sunglasses to be wearing. I think about, you know, some people get really down when it's like a gloomy day or something. If you put on the Arizone and just made everything really warm and golden, I definitely think that that could change your perspective on the day or change your mood. For me, I love rainy days, but I know a lot of people are affected by those rainy days. And so, yeah, I mean, something just even using them for that purpose would be beneficial. They're definitely enjoyable to wear, not just for a style aesthetic purpose, but also for an emotional mood purpose. I will make sure to link everything below so you can check these out if you would like. And yeah, but there we have it. That is Futuremood sunglasses. Okay, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's episode or at least found it somewhat entertaining. If you did like today's episode, you know what to do. Give me that thumbs up, comment below, share with friends, and subscribe for future weekly episodes. If you are already subscribed, make sure to click that bell so you're notified when I post my new episodes. All of this stuff helps get me into that algorithm. So anything like that, if you can do one of those things, all of those things, it really, really helps me out because the more interaction I have with my channel, the more my channel will be pushed into the algorithm. So, you know what? More people got to see this face, you know? All right, guys, you have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, support, and love each other. We will definitely be chatting soon. Bye.